Welcome to Power Tools Pro. Today we're exploring 25 game-changing woodworking tools that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and make every project easier and more precise. A woodworking vise is an essential tool for securing your workpiece firmly while cutting, sanding, or planing. Its robust construction ensures stability, allowing precise and safe operations. With adjustable jaws, it accommodates various sizes of wood, making it ideal for both small and large-scale projects. Its durable design guarantees long-lasting performance for years of woodworking enjoyment, perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. This vise transforms your bench into a reliable workstation that enhances productivity. The Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL simplifies cabinet and drawer installations, letting you drill perfectly aligned holes every time. Its adjustable template and guide system suit various hardware sizes, ensuring consistent placement across projects. Made with high-quality materials, it's lightweight yet durable. Ideal for professional cabinet makers and DIY enthusiasts, this jig reduces measurement errors, saves time, and guarantees professional results for handles, knobs, and pulls. Accuracy and efficiency are just a setup away. The Blackzero Drill is a versatile, high-performance drill designed for precision and speed. Its ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, while variable speed settings handle multiple materials with ease. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY tasks, it delivers consistent torque and reliability. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for tight spaces and long hours of use. With advanced safety features and durable construction, the Blackzero Drill ensures efficient drilling, smooth operation, and professional results on every project. A digital tape measure upgrades traditional measuring with easy-to-read digital readings, ensuring precise dimensions for every project. It features memory functions, unit conversion, and quick measurements that enhance efficiency. Its durable construction withstands daily workshop use, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. No more guesswork or manual calculations. This tool streamlines layout, cutting, and assembly tasks. Accurate measurements lead to perfect fits and cleaner results every time you step into your workshop. The Benchtop Planer is a must-have for achieving smooth, even surfaces on boards of varying thickness. Compact and portable, it fits any workshop while delivering professional-level results. Adjustable cutting depth ensures precision, while its sharp blades reduce tear-out on hardwoods and softwoods. With efficient chip ejection and safety features, it's ideal for furniture makers, hobbyists, or anyone who wants consistent, high-quality finishes quickly. Transform rough lumber into ready-to-use boards with minimal effort and maximum accuracy. Bring your woodworking projects to life with the LP2 Laser Engraver. Capable of engraving intricate designs on wood, acrylic, leather, and more, it adds a professional touch to any project. Compact, user-friendly, and precise, it allows hobbyists and pros to create custom signs, gifts, and decorative items. With adjustable power settings, you can handle delicate or deep engraving effortlessly. Enhance your creativity and make every piece uniquely yours with this innovative, precision-focused tool. The electric hand planer makes surface leveling and smoothing fast and efficient. Lightweight and ergonomic, it glides effortlessly over boards, removing imperfections with precision. Adjustable cutting depth and sharp blades ensure perfect results on hardwood or softwood. Ideal for edge jointing, door fitting, and furniture projects, this planer saves hours of manual work, combining power, accuracy, and convenience in one essential tool for any woodworker. The silicone glue brush is perfect for spreading adhesives, varnish, or epoxy evenly across surfaces. Its flexible, heat-resistant bristles prevent clumping, reduce waste, and simplify cleanup. Reusable and durable, it ensures smooth application on wood, metal, or plastic. Ideal for woodworking, crafts, and DIY projects, this brush guarantees professional results while saving time and materials. Small yet highly effective, It's an essential accessory for any workshop looking to achieve clean, precise finishes. This Countersink Drill Bit Set allows you to drill pilot holes and countersink screws perfectly in one step. Made of high-speed steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and precision in wood, plastic, or metal. With multiple sizes included, it fits a wide range of screws, preventing wood splitting and improving joint quality. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture building, and general woodworking, this set ensures clean, professional-looking assemblies every time, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. 3H cabinet jacks are essential for lifting and supporting cabinets during installation. Made with durable steel, they handle heavy loads while ensuring stability and safety. The adjustable height feature makes them versatile for different cabinet sizes, saving time and reducing strain. Perfect for professional installers or DIY enthusiasts, these jacks simplify cabinet placement, leveling, and alignment. Their compact design allows easy storage, and robust construction guarantees long-term reliability. With 3H cabinet jacks, handling heavy cabinets becomes safer, faster, and more precise. The digital angle finder delivers precise angle measurements with a clear digital display. Ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects, it eliminates guesswork and ensures perfect alignment. Its durable construction withstands workshop use, and the easy-to-read display improves efficiency for complex cuts or setups. Compact and portable, it fits in any toolbox, making it easy to carry between workstations. Whether leveling furniture, framing, or cutting angles, this tool guarantees accuracy, saving time and reducing errors on every project. The original cabinet hardware jig makes installing handles and knobs effortless. With adjustable templates and guides, it ensures perfectly aligned holes for all types of cabinetry. Lightweight yet durable, it's built for long-term use in busy workshops. Its versatility suits DIYers and professionals, making multiple installations faster, consistent, and accurate. This jig reduces errors, improves project aesthetics, and eliminates the frustration of uneven hardware. Efficient, precise, and easy to use, it's a must-have for anyone seeking professional-looking cabinets without stress. The Bushcraft Settlers tool is a multifunctional kit designed for woodworking, outdoor, and survival tasks. Featuring a combination of hammers, chisels, and cutting tools, it's versatile and compact. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while ergonomic handles reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for campers, woodworkers, and DIYers, it's designed to tackle multiple tasks efficiently. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for off-site projects or workshops with limited space. With the Bushcraft Settlers tool, you have a complete solution for cutting, shaping, and crafting on the go. The KingTool Home Repair Toolkit is a comprehensive solution for DIY and professional projects. Packed with essential hand tools, it covers carpentry, plumbing, and electrical tasks. Made of high-quality materials, each piece is durable, ergonomic, and reliable. The kit is compact and organized, making it easy to store or carry. Perfect for home repairs, furniture assembly, or woodworking, it saves time and ensures efficient, precise results. With the KingTool kit, you have a versatile toolbox ready for virtually any task in your workshop or home. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table combines portability with stability, making it perfect for woodworking on the go. Lightweight yet sturdy, it supports heavy materials and tools without wobbling. Its folding design allows easy transport and storage, while adjustable legs accommodate uneven surfaces. Ideal for hobbyists, DIYers, or professional contractors, it provides a reliable workstation anywhere. Whether assembling, cutting, or sanding, this table enhances efficiency and safety. Its compact design makes it a must-have for mobile workshops or limited-space studios.
The self-centering dowel jig ensures accurate alignment for dowel joinery. Its innovative design automatically centers drill holes, providing precise, repeatable results for furniture, cabinets, or frames. Constructed from durable metal, it guarantees long-term reliability, while its easy-to-use mechanism reduces setup time. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals, it improves joint strength, aesthetics, and overall craftsmanship. This jig takes the guesswork out of dowel placement, enabling consistent, professional quality connections every time you build, repair, or craft wooden projects. The Hoto Cordless Rotary Toolkit is versatile for engraving, cutting, sanding, and polishing. Cordless convenience ensures mobility without limiting power. Its adjustable speed settings and compact design provide precision and control in detailed woodworking or craft projects. Equipped with multiple accessories, it handles a wide range of materials. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this tool brings efficiency, accuracy, and creativity to every project, making it indispensable in any workshop or DIY kit. The portable Jobsite table saw combines power, portability, and precision. Lightweight yet robust, it's perfect for cutting lumber, plywood, and paneling on-site or in the workshop. Adjustable fence, blade height, and angle settings ensure accurate cuts every time. Safety features like blade guards and anti-kickback mechanisms protect users during operation. Ideal for contractors, carpenters, and woodworking enthusiasts, this table saw improves efficiency and precision. Whether building furniture or cutting sheet goods, it delivers professional results with portable convenience. The 3-axis adjustable flattening jig simplifies precise flattening of wood surfaces. Its versatile design allows adjustments on X, Y, and Z axes, accommodating irregular boards and complex shapes. Constructed from durable materials, it provides stability and repeatable results. Ideal for woodworkers, luthiers, and hobbyists, this jig ensures flat, smooth surfaces before finishing or assembly. Easy to set up and use, it reduces sanding effort, saves time, and enhances project accuracy. Achieve professional quality wood flattening efficiently with this essential tool. The Kaisi K211 65-watt USB-C soldering iron is perfect for precision electronics and woodworking projects that require metal joining. Lightweight, compact, and USB-C powered, it's easy to handle and portable. Adjustable temperature settings provide control for delicate or heavy-duty soldering tasks. With quick heating, ergonomic design, and reliable performance, it ensures clean joints every time. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers adding hardware, or electronics repairs, this soldering iron delivers accuracy, safety, and efficiency in one professional tool. The MasterCool brake caliper is a powerful hydraulic tool designed for precise automotive and woodworking presses. Its robust design provides consistent pressure for bending, shaping, or pressing components. Compact and durable, it ensures reliable performance for long-term use. Ergonomic handling reduces fatigue during repetitive operations, while precision control guarantees accurate results. Perfect for woodworkers, metalworkers, and mechanics, this caliber enhances efficiency and professional quality results, making it a versatile addition to any workshop that demands precision and power in tight spaces. The Capro 985MXJMB is a magnetic angle finder that ensures precise alignment for woodworking, framing, and metal projects. With its digital readout and strong magnetic base, it provides accurate, repeatable measurements every time. Compact and durable, it fits into any toolbox, while user-friendly controls simplify complex setups. Ideal for carpenters, hobbyists, and professional woodworkers, it enhances cutting, leveling, and assembly accuracy. Improve efficiency and eliminate measurement errors with this indispensable tool for any workshop focused on precision and quality. The pressure washer is perfect for cleaning workshop floors, tools, and outdoor surfaces. Powered by propane, it delivers high-pressure water to remove dirt, grime, and debris quickly. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and portability allows easy use anywhere. Ideal for maintaining cleanliness in woodworking spaces or outdoor projects, it saves time and effort compared to manual scrubbing. Reliable, efficient, and powerful, the pressure washer keeps your workshop and workspace spotless, enhancing safety, efficiency, and productivity on every project. Thanks for watching Power Tools Pro.
These 25 game-changing woodworking tools will elevate your workshop and make projects easier, faster, and more precise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly tips, reviews, and tool recommendations to boost your craftsmanship.